Okay, here at One Triangle, awaiting the press conference of Miss Grand International Emma Tiglao. And we have here...
Are you ready for the grandest afternoon? Make sure to message all of your family and friends if they want.
With CJ Prasa, I have the legs reveal. 1, 2, 3. Wow! Ang galing! Oh, incorporate.
Yes, Nami Era.
Ang galing!
So this is a stocking. Yes.
Gayahin ko yan.
Very grand, very grand. Thank you, Mami Era.
So ano, what na? Are you gonna be here? You have so many, I'm sure maraming opportunities, maraming nanliligaw. Diba? Oh, wala? Impossible.
Wala. You can send your resume. You can send your resume.
I
Si
don't
Miss Diana.
need it. Ako manager. If you wanna get through, you have to call me.
You have to go through Miss Diana.
Diba? Marami akong standards na kailangan sundin for you.
Wala. Work na. I'm going to Aurora later. I'm just gonna finish the press.
4-5.
Yes, oh, binibili si Pacquiao. I'm gonna be judging si Pacquiao. Judging for... Thank you.
Of course, Mr. Jojo Braga is present in the house.
Grabe! Yun yung una ko masasabi. Grabe po ang inyong pinakita. Mainit po ang inyong pagtanggap na binigay sa akin. I've missed you so much because after I won, I've stayed in Thailand for like a month to do some work. And now here we are! We're bringing the back-to-back crown for the Philippines! Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. Sabi ko nga po, every time that I post during my grand journey, that was not my fight alone. That is our fight. That is why this is our victory. Maraming salamat po. That is because of our bayanihan. Bawat boto nyo po, yung simple pag-like nyo lang po or panonood, sobrang laking tulong po nun sa akin. Ibang klase po yun dito. Kaya naman nakamit natin po yung tagumpay na gusto natin. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, Queen Emma.
She's here.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat! Ayan. Isang malakas na sigawan, yung grand sigawan naman po. Ayan. Thank you so much everyone for coming to Ate Emma's Deserve the Crown. Kasi we've seen you for how many years. We've seen how you put your heart, your dedication, your perseverance to your goal to win the crown and to represent the country. You did represent the country second time. But I think everything just happens for a reason. And now you went back home to the Philippines with your deserved crown. And we are celebrating with you. We are acknowledging everything that you've put from your first competition, from all the competitions we've shared. We were in the same competition back like years. Wag na natin pag-usapan yung taon. Years ago. And I really know how dedicated she is as a person. I know how she loves pageantry. I know how she loves her team. I know how she actually puts her heart into what she's doing. And I really want to acknowledge that effort that you really put into making your dreams possible. And I myself is also inspired by you. I also aspire to be like you. And I know everybody is aspiring to be like our Miss Grand International 2025. And I hope you will continue to support her in her journey. I want everybody to celebrate and also give the spotlight to our queen. It is her time to shine.
You know what? Victory is so sweet when it is shared together. That is why
I love to share this victory with you also. We made history. I think it is a continuation of the Filipinos' dreams. So I hope I think we all wanted to take home the crown, and as I always say, I wanted to give credit to all the queens who paved the way for us to be in this spotlight. So congratulations to all the Filipinas who gave their all also in the Miss Grand International stage. And thank you for celebrating with me, but this year, it is her year. So I hope you will celebrate with her until the end of her reign. Thank you so much po.
Thank you so much. First of all, congratulations, Emma! Oh my gosh. I'm so happy for you. Guys, for those of you who don't know, when I started training for pageants, Emma was one of the first people to come and assist Mommy G on our walks. So as a witness to your journey, however far, I've seen how genuine you are as a person, and it's crazy that you're able to let that shine through, even now in victory. As we say, a true queen is how she acts even without the crown. And that's what you've proven to us with your career spanning over a decade. Girl, idol talaga kita. Like, beauty, brains, career, she has it all. And it's so nice to be able to share it with you and the whole Philippines. Congratulations, Emma, CJ, Coachabel, and of course their ALV. And of course, Papa Nawad. My goodness. Thank you both. Oh. Anyway, I'm gonna keep this short and sweet. I have so much more to say. I'm so happy for you, and I'm so honored that I got to call your name out as Miss Grand Philippines when you won. Thank you for letting me be part of the journey. Wow, Emma. And it's only getting better and better. Yes, and in Kapampangan, Emma Putut. But you know what? That has been such an amazing whirlwind of events, you know, from starting there and seeing you wearing an international crown on your head. True.
I didn't expect it. That's why ang dami nang ang meme na lumabas dun sa aking reaction, no? Yun siguro yung pinakamasarap when you made history and you touch lives and hearts of the people, not only of your people, but the international fans, especially the Thai fans. Kapunaka. And also, I'm grateful, you know, kaya naging magaan yung journey ko with Miss Grand International. It's also because of my roommate, Gatchobel. We just had this healthy competition. We just enjoyed every moment, and I'm happy to share not just the room, but also the stage with my roomie that we are the last two standing during the grand coronation of MGI.
Are you ready, Philippines? Okay lang ba sabayan niyo ako para mas marinig ni Papa na wag pa? Emma Mary Tinglaw, Miss Grand International! The one and only. Wow! Thank you so much, Emma.